Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to reactivate Binance locked account. Now before we go into that, let us look at the reasons why Binance accounts can be locked. 1. Security concerns. When you have suspicious activity or a compromised account, it can lead to Binance account being locked. Now what do we mean by suspicious activity? Unusual login attempts from different locations or devices, or sudden changes in trading and withdrawal patterns can trigger account locks to prevent unauthorized access. Next, compromised account. If Binance receives reports or notices signs of unauthorized access, they may lock the account to investigate and prevent further misuse. Now the second reason, those are the two ways in which security concerns can lead to your account being locked. Next, we have what they call KYC issues. So your Binance account can be locked due to KYC issues. KYC means know your customer. Now, in what way can you have KYC issues? 1. Incomplete verification. Failure to complete identity verification, or if there are discrepancies in submitted documents, can lead to account restriction. So after the second reason why your Binance account can be locked, which is know your customer issue, remember the first reason is security concern, second reason know your customer issue, third reason is terms of service violation. Now how can you violate the terms of service? Through fraudulent activities, such as engaging in fraudulent activities like manipulating the market or violating any Binance rule can result in account lock. Next, on the fourth reason why your Binance account can be locked is regulatory compliance. Now, legal requirements. Binance may be obligated to lock accounts due to local laws or regulatory investigation. Now that we have seen the reasons why your Binance account can be locked, let us look at how we can reactivate a locked Binance account. These are general steps to take. First, check your email or notification. If you review your emails or in-app notification from Binance, you will see specific instructions or reasons for your lock. Next, verify your identity. If KYC is incomplete or requires updates, complete necessary steps. The third thing you can do is address security concerns. If suspicious activity is detected, enable two-factor authentication and change your password. The fourth step you can take is to contact support. If issues persist or you need further assistance, please reach out to Binance customer support through their official channels. This is for the app. And then give the step-by-step procedure for websites and app. Now, it's the same procedure for website and app. I've explained how you can reactivate, so let's go. Log into your Binance account. Check for notifications. Look for any messages or alerts related to the account locked. Next, follow the instructions carefully. Next, identity verification. That means how can you do the identity verification? Simply navigate the identity verification section and complete the necessary steps. That is photo, ID, proof of address, stuff like that. Next one, security measures. You must enable two-factor authentication and change your password to enhance account security. Next, you can contact customer care support. That is if the issue persists, by clicking on the Contact Us or Help Center section to reach out for Binance support. Important notice: the reactivation process may take time depending on the issue and Binance workload, so your response time may not be as quick as you expected. Next, account recovery. If you believe your account has been compromised, you have to follow Binance account recovery procedures. Next, terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Binance terms of service to avoid further or future account locks. Now, note that this information is for general guidance only. Don't forget to always refer to Binance official website or contact their support for the most accurate and up-to-date information. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day.